Okay, so Gabriel's gonna be chased by a dog, my dog actually, and anyway, he's gonna be chased by the dog, and then she's gonna chase him, and then she's gonna get mad. So anyway, let's get on with the show. So this is Gabriel. I don't know if you can see him. I don't really care. Here, there's Gabriel. He's in my backyard. And then this is Jalen. Jalen's my dog. I still don't know if you can see her or not. See, this is dog, Jalen. And then this is Gabriel. Football. I don't know if you can see
This irritates her, but I'm gonna sound like Dragon Ball Z more to irritate
Gabriel.
her. Okay, here we go, doggy. You might want to scoot the camera over a little bit. You know. Okay.
It's good. It's good.
The whole entire thing.
I think I got it. I don't know.
Come on, you got the first gun.
No,
It's a girl.
it's a girl. Her name's Jalen. She's okay. Why do you think she's wearing a pink collar?
Keep on going. Keep on going.
Well, how do I we'll do that. Oh,
Continuing.
okay. Bye. Ah!